Hi guys, this is Dr. Dean. I'm a board certified child neurologist and currently I'm practicing in Dallas, Texas. I'm pretty sure that you have seen a lot of videos on COVID-19. But today I specifically want to talk to you guys about common neurological diseases which we are seeing a lot, especially since COVID has started. These includes like headaches, migraines, ADHD, ADD, autism, and mental health issues. COVID-19 is no doubt a very stressful situation. It's very stressful not only for adults but for kids and teenagers. And this stress and anxiety is playing a big role in these problems. So I decided to talk to you guys directly because I believe that we need an active participation from caregivers and parents. And it's a collective effort. And if you believe that a neurologist will give you a pill, a couple of pills, and all these problems will be solved, that's not the case. So in the next couple of videos, I will discuss different management plans, how we can manage these problems and how we can help our kids to stay safe and healthy. Please feel free to ask any questions regarding these diseases. Keep following the Neurology at Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Thanks. Have a good day.